05 Ford Escape Alternator. I'm gonna try this method. I haven't tried it this way before, but I'm gonna try it out. So, here we go. So this stuff out of the way. It's a little more. Still one connector. Yeah. Now I'll be able to reach these two bottom ones. You can actually see them. There's one. Pretty much everything's loose except the stud right there. That one. Already got the nut off, but the stud didn't come out. So, 1/4 inch. That's all I got. Where's the damage? Would have recorded it, but it's doable. Well, there you go. Now I just gotta spin it, get that coolant hose out of the way, and spin it. Should be good to go. Alright. No access down here. While I'm down here, I'm just going to do a quick diag on what's going on with all these leaks. Looks like I installed. And then you go towards the front to loosen tension. Make sure everything else will run. Just trying to figure out the last few things.